So hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do the basic of making a PowerPoint. So first thing first, you have to find your theme the, or the design that you want. So there are many choices here. You can choose here, there, and yes. But since I'm going to teach you the basic, we're going to start from the scratch. If you can't find anything you want in the previous page I've shown, so you can choose here the simple designs. Okay, okay. But I'm going to choose this one. So that. So for the text, I'm going to show you how to edit your text. So first, you have to click here. You can type whatever you want, but for me, I'm going to type our subject. So technology for teaching and learning. You can also edit your text. You can change its font. You can change here. You can choose anything you want. Also, so here, but I'm going to choose this one. And you can also change its size. You can type here the size you want. Yes, but 36 to 40 for me is enough. And you can also add your subtitle. So I'm going to put chapter 1 and change its font and its size. And you can also move your text and anywhere you want in your slide. So I'm going to change its font like that. So now I'm going to teach you how to add a new slides. So you just have to click here in the slide and there you go. And in this slides, you can add picture tables, charts, and videos in the slide. So here you can add title, but it's up to you if you want to. But I'm going to put introduction. And now I'm going to teach you how to put a table. So you go to insert and then you click here table and you can add many as you want. Like for example, and that's how you do the table. So you can change its color also. So here I'm going to click here red and then you can also change all about like that. And next I'm going to show you how to add a picture. So here click here picture and add the picture you want like that. And next for the chart, so all the table picture charts you can actually found in the insert. So for the chart, you can choose any charts or kinds of chart you want, and the design is there. So click that, and you can also edit all the title or any details in the chart. That and there you can edit. So now I'm going to teach you the exciting part of editing a PowerPoint. It's adding that transition in your slides. So in finding the now transition, you can find it here. For this transition, you can add a transition. You can choose here. You can add it in all your slides. You can choose anything like that. For the next slide, you can choose anything or same transition you want. Next and next. And for the text, you can add animation. First, you have to click your text first, and then go to animation. Then you can choose here any animation you like. So that and that. And for your photos, you can also add an animation. Just click first the photo and add your animation. It's the same with the text. Like that. And if you're done making your PowerPoint and you're going to view it, so just go to view and click this. Click this one and then ta-da! You're done. So that's all everyone. I hope you learn and thank you for watching this tutorial. God bless.